Hey everyone. All right, I'm taking a break from the RV right now. I want to work on my EX30, EX30 laying on the side, and my nippers. Um, I do barefoot trims on horses and goats and stuff, and nippers is one of my tools. What am I doing with nippers on the EX30? I am going to fix my tire. So I'm not really picky about my tires. In fact, I pretty much run stock tire on everything. The only tire that I have is different is the street tire on my Street Master, and I believe that's a Michelin Pilot Street 2 or something. Pilot Street 2, I don't know, something like that. That's the only street tire that I have. Everyone else is just running their stock tire, and I've always done that, and I have no intention to change that. But I do recognize Roger was the one that forced me to get a street tire on my Street Master, and I did fall in love with that to the point where I was like, okay, I still want a Dirt Master though. So what I did was I just got a second master, so that way I have one master with a street tire, one master with a dirt tire, my street and dirt masters. So my EX30 has the CST stock tire, and it's a knobby, and it has gotten to the point now where it is not it's not a round tire anymore. It is basically a square. It's a rectangle. It's got edges, and so when you have these edges, then you fall off when you go into a turn. And not that I'm doing much turning with the EX30, but still, you hit a turn and you're like, oh yeah, here's a turn, and you go to hit a turn and then you like fall off the ledge, and I was like, ah. So to prevent those moments, I am going to round out the profile. There's different ways to do it. If you are strong enough, which I am not, but probably the easiest, quickest way to do it is to just hold your tire up against the curb, let it free spin, and then spin it down, let it grind away at that sharp edge so that you have a nice round profile again. I am not that strong to be able to do that very well. So another way is people have set up stands with sanding blocks, and they sand it away using makeshift sanders and all that stuff. I hate the smell of burning rubber, and so that is a no-go for me. What's another way? Then you can cut it, and you can cut it with a knife, but I find that that angle and everything cutting with a knife is not very precise, and it's super annoying. And that's where my nippers come in. So the nippers will cut flush, and they will cut very well. And I'll show you how that works. All right, so let's orient you. EX30 laying on his side. I'm just kneeling down next to him on the floor because I'm just playing like that. Here is the tire, and you see how it's basically a rectangle. So these three knobs are just like flat. They are just literally flat, and then it's this huge drop off to this over here. So I'll show you this drop off. That's a drop off. I'll keep trying to show you better angles. Yeah, there you can see how high this is, and then it literally has all of these millimeters to drop off before it hits this one. And it's getting very steep now. So I just want to make this a rounded profile, and I've already started doing that. Where is it? Over here. So you see how this is now more rounded? And then here, that's where I stopped. So that's all I'm doing. So I'm basically, let me get my other hand here, getting my nippers, finding this spot right here. I can't do my nippers with one hand and hold the camera at the same time. Okay, so I just cut off that little section, and then it is now rounded over here. So, and then, yeah, it's not gonna look all that pretty, but that's gonna get sanded down when you ride anyways. All that is gonna do is when you go to turn, it is just going to be a little bit of a lot smoother transition to go from here to here instead of here to kaboom, kaboom. You want to avoid the kaboom. Okay, so let's see. What's a good angle? Right there. So here, kaboom, 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 kaboom. No more kabooms. See? Kaboom, no kaboom. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, you can sand down this edge or wear it down, or however way you want to wear it down. But I just find it easier to nip that off. All right, so now nice rounder profile, I guess. It's funny because it's like, you see where it kaboomps, and then there's this area of the tire then is untouched. You see how my wear line, this is untouched up here, but then it wears down here. So it's like I fall off, and then I've actually been grinding down over here because that's where I contact again. But this will make it so that I have, I'll actually be able to use this part of the tire now. Do you see what I'm saying? Because I'm coming from this part, and then I'm not touching this part, and I'm going straight to this part over here. So anyways, hope that makes sense. Let me see if this angle helps any better. These are all kabooms, and then no more kaboom. No more kaboom, kabooms. Hope that makes it clear. All right, so thanks for watching, and yay, I did a little baby EUC content. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.